the last lesson I have given the concepts of the function. That is the first lecture. So in this I am discussing here one function and the onto function. Here first one function, in brackets you take injective function. It is very important one onto, because in the JEE mains advanced level they are asking one question based on one onto functions. So that's why first you take one function. The definition of the one function, you take here first let a comma b are two non-empty sets. A comma b are two non-empty sets. The function f a to b, the function f a to b is said to be one function. Is said to be one function if different elements of A, there exist different images in B. F A to B said to be one function if different elements of A, there exist different images in B. Then it is called here one function. Already function definition, every element of A, there is the unique element, unique image in B. But here different elements of A, there exist different images in B. Example 1. So suppose you take A 1, 2, 3, B, P, Q, R. So like this, 1 to P, 2 to Q, 3 to R. Here 1 has one image, 2 has. So different elements are here. There is the different images. Clearly, this is one function. This is one function. Example 2. Suppose I am giving here. This is A. 1, 2, 3. B. Some A comma B. 1 to A. 2 to B. So it is not a function because for 3 it is not a function. Yeah, not a function. Not function. Example 3. So you take A, that is I am taking 1, 2, B, some P, Q. Suppose I am taking like this. Here 1 has one image, 2 has one image. It is a function, but 1, 2 have same image. It is not a one function. Not a one function, because here 1, 2 has same image. According to definition of one function, different elements of A have the different images in B. Here 1, 2 the same image. That's why it is not one function. So we may say here many one function. So mathematical definition of the one function. Mathematical definition. So mathematical definition is first you take here let A comma B are two non-empty sets. For x1 comma x2 belongs to A and f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2. That means when you take two elements in A and images are equal, if the images are equal, elements also equal. This is the one function mathematical definition. So graphical definition of the one function. So graphical definition of one function, it is very important, because in the problems we will observe here graphs only. By the graphs we can say here is it one or not. So that's why after drawing the graph of the given function, you observe one concept here that is very important. First to draw the graph. Draw the graph of the given function. After drawing the graph, you take any line parallel to x-axis on the graph. After drawing the graph, you take any line parallel to x-axis. If the line intersects the graph at only one point, it is called one. Understand? When you draw the line parallel to x-axis on the graph, If it intersects the graph at only one point, it is 1, 1. If it intersects the graph more than one point, is called a many one function. So this is very, very important definition. Consider f R to R such that f of x equal to x square. So the function is f of x equal to x square. That is y equal to x square. This is the parabola opening upwards, everybody knows. And also here the function defined on R to R. Domain is R and the range is R. So on the domain R, you have to draw the graph of the given function. So what is the graph of the given function? Everybody knows this one. This is the opening upwards. So this is the graph of the given function. So here you observe this first. Draw any line parallel to x-axis on the graph. So this is the line parallel to x-axis on the graph. This line is intersecting the graph more than 1 point. It is not 1, 1. This is not 1, 1 because according to definition, when you draw the line parallel to x-axis on the graph, if it intersects the graph at only 1 point, it is 1, 1. So clearly this line is intersecting the graph more than 1 point. That's why it is not 1, 1. So example 2. Example 2. Consider f R plus to R such that f of x is equal to x square. I am taking same function f of x equal to x square, but domain is R plus. R plus means positive x-axis. Range is R here. So that's why first draw the graph on the domain. Domain means only positive x. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, you know. So this is 0. So positive x-axis is this one. What is the graph of the f of x equal to x square on the positive x-axis? So this is the graph. This is the graph. Understand here? So on this graph, you draw any line parallel to x-axis. So this line is intersecting the graph at only 1 point. So that's why clearly it is 1, 1. According to definition, if any line parallel to x-axis on the graph intersect at only 1 point is called here 1, 1. So this is 1, 1 function. So now here number of 1, 1 functions. In the functions, we have taken number of functions. So that is the number of b whole power of number of a we know. Here number of 1, 1 functions. Number of 1, 1 functions is equal to number of b, p, number of a. Don't forget this. P means here permutation. This is equal to number of b factorial by number of b minus number of a whole factorial. Whole factorial like this. So NPR, this is also equal. Suppose the number of a is equal to r, number of b is equal to n, then number of 1, 1 functions is equal to NPR. This is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. On to function. In brackets, surjective function. The definition of the onto function. So here also you take here, let a comma b are two non-empty sets. The function f a to b. Is said to be onto function or surjective function. The function f a to b is said to be onto function if every element of b there is the p image in a.
every element of B, there is the pre-image in A. So that is f A to B is said to be onto function if every element of B at least one pre-image in A. Every element of B, there is the pre-image in A. That is, every element of B, at least one pre-image in A. For example, here I am taking this is A, this is B. Take 1, 2, 3, some A comma B. So here in B, you have to observe for the onto function B only, codomain only. For A, there is the pre-image, at least one pre-image. For B, there is the at least one pre-image in A. So that's why it is clearly onto function. It is clearly onto function. Suppose here, if it is not onto, it is called here into function. There are two different. If it is not onto, it is called into function. Everybody knows this one. So, mathematical definition. Here also, there is the mathematical definition. Mathematical definition. So you consider, just you take here, let A comma B are two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets for Y belongs to B. That's why take one element in B, codomain only first. For the codomain element, there exists X belongs to A such that f of X equal to Y. That means when you take one element in B, for that compulsory there exists one element in A such that f of X equal to Y. This is the mathematical definition. This is the method. And also here we will observe here. And also you know this. What is the range domain? Already I explained range domain codomain. If range is equal to codomain, if range equal to codomain, it is also called here onto. That means we will observe in the graph. In the graph, if range equal to codomain, then we can say it is onto. Example. Consider f. I am giving same function f r plus to r such that f of x equal to x square. Now draw the graph. What is the graph? We know here. This is x-axis, y-axis. This is origin. R plus means you take only domain positive x-axis. On the positive x-axis, you draw the graph. This is the graph of the function f of x equal to x square. On the domain R plus taken, this is the graph. You observe this clearly. So range means we will observe always y-axis. Range means we will observe always y-axis. That is, I am taking clearly here. Suppose from this, what is the range? Range is equal to. Range means here positive y-axis only. That is what? 0 to infinity. Range means y-axis. You observe in the graph. That is 0 to infinity only. So it is equal to R plus. But it is not equal to codomain. It is not equal to codomain. So that's why it is not onto. Not onto. Understand what is the definition of onto? So if the range equal to codomain, then it is onto. Here according to graph, it is not equal to codomain. So that's why, so it is not onto. So example 2. Example 2. Consider f R to R plus such that f of x equal to x square. I am explaining on one example. Same problem. So that is here, take the graph. But here, according to given problem, domain is R. But codomain is R plus. That's why draw the graph of the given function. Clearly this is the range. This is the range. What is the range here? Clearly range is equal to What is this? 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. So this is equal to R plus. This is equal to codomain. This is equal to codomain. So that's why it is onto. You can say given function is onto according to definition because the range equal to codomain. So this is onto function. Here consider number of A equal to M, number of B equal to N. So here M elements, here N elements. Then number of onto functions from A to B is equal to, use this formula, n power of n minus nc1 n minus n. Compulsory use this formula here. So not need to derive this formula. So number of onto functions from A to B equal to means. Suppose in the B if there are two elements and A m elements, then number of onto functions from A to B equal to 2 power of n minus 2. So these are important. Next we will discuss problems based on 1 1 onto.
Please share, like and subscribe our channel.